Hey, welcome back everybody. Today what I'm going to show you how to do is use nature to your advantage in cleaning a hide. The fur needs to be slipped off of here if you're going to make a raw hide. What I'm going to use is 2 white-tailed deer hides. But the way I do this is I like to find a good stream and soak these in the stream. I just lay them out like that right there, and then you just weight them down. Weight them down heavy enough that they won't float off on you. But what this will do, this will let the things in the water come and eat. You can see the minnows. I don't know if they'll show up or not, but there's minnows in here. They'll come and eat the meat off of it. I see a lot of posts about putrid hides. This will help clean your hide to avoid that smell. You just weight them down to make sure when you're doing this kind of method right here, if you got bad weather in the area, if you're gonna have a high water situation, you want to pull your hide, so you don't lose it. But this will remove the glues off your hide, and this will enable the hair to slip off real easy. I'll let this sit here from 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the hide. I would check these on a daily basis, make sure nothing's ate them or pulled them out of the water to chew on them. But this is the simplest way to do it. You don't have the putrefaction like this. And hope you find this useful. If you like our videos, like, share, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Facebook, Mickey Wilson Bushcraft and Survival. Until the next one, that's it for this one.